We will to parachute all the guns of the force. Get ready, airborne from skies of blue. Heading the blue, we're coming. Make the jumps and take your boats to. And today here at the Solvang Custom Knife Show is the really interesting thing is we just don't have American knife makers here. We also have Italian knife makers. And this knife maker is from Sardinia. And much like Italian cars and Italian women, they are very bella. They're very, very beautiful. Like Gina, Lola, Brigida. You know, so back in the golden age of Hollywood, these beautiful Italian actresses would come over and knock the socks off of American viewers. And here today we have a fine Italian knives. And this is basically like a Bugatti or a Lamborghini. But this one you can put it in your pocket and you can cut things with it like apples or people. No, I'm kidding. But at what we're looking at now, what is the inlay?
This inlay is black plate pearl and also some pieces of carbon fiber with blue.
Blue carbon fiber. And we have a harpoon accent. What is the steel used in this knife?
The style is the blade style is like a tanto but modified.
I like to call it a trailing edge. So an American tanto is very abrupt. This one takes its time.
Yeah, maybe it's my style. I don't.
Well, that's a good style to have.
Yeah.
And is this a mother of pearl?
Yeah, also black lead pearl with zirconium losange
And you have Damascus.
and yes, we have some Damascus here and on the back.
That's very beautiful. Well, that's great. That is very good. So let me go ahead and grab one of your cards here. So if you want to be able, there we go. So that's it. And here is how you can get a hold of them. And I would dare say if you're going on vacation to Italy, get away from Rome, go to Sardinia, and meet these makers and bring home something beautiful and Italian. All right, thank you so much. We really appreciate it and have a nice day.
Thank you.